and severely cracked aircraft apron presenting a challenge to airport maintenance crews. Step 1. Prepare damaged concrete. Create a keyway around the perimeter of the repair area. Establish perimeters of the damaged area and snap chalk lines as a guide for the saw and/or grinder. Score the perimeter chalk line with a concrete saw or a V diamond blade. The first half-inch cut is made at approximately 78 degrees. Follow the scored line with the first 78-degree angle back cut. The second cut is made at a 45-degree angle. This 45-degree second cut is made a half-inch into the inside of the first cut, opening the gap of the keyway. This results in a keyway around the perimeter of the repair area. Lower the inside edge of the second cut with an angle grinder. The angle grinder produces a wider mouth along the 45-degree cut, allowing the elephant armor to flow easily into the keyway. The finished keyway. Now the elephant armor will flow into the keyway, mechanically anchoring and protecting the edge at a minimum 1/4 inch thickness overlay. This cross-section shows how the elephant armor overlay caps the repair area and anchors into the keyway. Use a concrete saw or a crack chaser to define a crisp, hard edge. This process will ensure a proper mechanical bond. Remove any dust and loose debris from the cuts. Step 2, apply water to the repair area to achieve a surface saturated dry condition, SSD. SSD refers to a state in which the surface of concrete is moist but not saturated and does not have any standing water on it. The damaged area is now prepared and ready to saturate the surface with water. When applying a concrete overlay to an existing concrete surface, SSD conditions play a significant role in achieving proper bonding between the overlay and the original substrate. Place masking tape around all perimeter edges. Step 3. After SSD has been achieved and there is no standing water, apply a slurry bond coat into the crack. A slurry coat is 2 parts elephant armor to 1 part elephant armor primer by volume, producing a consistency similar to pancake batter. Elephant armor primer is a high solids acrylic polymer latex bonding agent specifically designed to be used as a primer on the substrate for elephant armor on any concrete or asphalt surface. The slurry coat creates a bond between the damaged concrete and the elephant armor. Use a brush to apply the slurry coat, covering all areas of the crack. Timing is critical. Do not let the slurry coat dry before the elephant armor is applied. The slurry coat must be wet and tacky when the elephant armor crack fill mix is applied. The elephant armor crack fill is being mixed while the slurry coat is applied. Important note, elephant armor primer is not a substitute for water in any proportion with standard mixes of elephant armor mortars. To review our elephant armor mixing video, visit our website at www.gstinternational.com. Step 4. Fill the crack with elephant armor. Be sure that the slurry coat is still tacky before pouring the elephant armor into the crack. Using a GST textured roller, push the elephant armor into the cracks. Use an elephant armor squeegee trowel to smooth the crack fill material. The crack is now filled and the area is ready for a minimum 1/4 inch elephant armor overlay. Step 5. Immediately apply a minimum 1/4 inch overlay to the damaged area and into the keyway. We can now place the elephant armor overlay. GST textured rollers are required for placement due to the high fiber content of the elephant armor patented mix design. Be sure to work the elephant armor into the keyway. Use an elephant armor squeegee trowel after placement to remove roller marks and smooth the surface. Spray a light mist of clean water onto the surface to assist finishing with the squeegee trowel. Elephant armor is fast curing. Have additional water on hand to clean the mixer blades and other tools as they are used. Use a 1/8 inch masonry edging tool to finish edges. A standard broom finish was applied to match the existing concrete. Remove all masking tape from the perimeter edge and remove the excess elephant armor with a wet, clean sponge. Step 6. Spray the repaired surface with clean water to ensure proper curing of the elephant armor. For a proper cure of the elephant armor, spray with clean water at least 3 times within the first hour after placement, especially in hot weather. Step 7. To enhance the durability of the elephant armor repair, apply EcoBaton Vetro Fluid anti-deterioration product to the repaired surface. The airport uses EcoBaton Vetro Fluid as part of its standard concrete anti-deterioration program. Visit www.ecobatonusa.com for more information. In just 2 hours, the repair was completed and the apron was returned to service. Elephant Armor, the world's most amazing cementitious repair and overlay product. Please tap like and subscribe, and of course your comments are always welcome. For more information about our products, visit our video gallery at gstinternational.com.